Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. You will go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So in the end you can update your app if it's not working with you the first step. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.